Check out this amazing vending machine. Okay, I want mystery art box 5x7 original art. All right, it's coming! Yay! Can't wait to open it. Here's my mystery box. I gotta open it and see. Ooh, just a second. This is by Bex Nichols. Ooh, a female artist. Yay! We're getting a little introduction as to what kind of painting to expect. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Wow. Original art. Nice.
That other flower was...
So we went to her shop?
Yes.
We went to her shop and we saw her work. And I guess we ended up buying one of her pieces. It was meant to be. She has a shop at the Arts Factory, and we went inside her shop, and now we own one of her pieces. It's in my collection with my other art pieces that I've collected. Anyways, I have to be honest, when I first saw this, I didn't think much of it. Until I was reminded that it's painted on a broken record. Then I understood when the artist said that I have to come up with my own meaning when looking at her pieces. And now this is one of my favorite pieces because it just reminded me of my childhood when it was just me and my parents, the good old days when we passed time in the living room listening to French records. So I love this piece so much. And I love my other pieces too. I love art.